Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here today. In this episode, we're exploring the word angel, a C1 level noun that can mean a spiritual being or a very kind person. Let's dive right in and get to know this word a little better. So, what exactly is an angel? As a spiritual being, an angel is often thought of as a divine messenger or a being of light, commonly associated with goodness and protection. In a more everyday sense, calling someone an angel means they are incredibly kind, selfless, or helpful. It's one of those words that feels uplifting no matter how it's used. There are several synonyms for angel depending on the context. If you're talking about the spiritual sense, you might use cherub or seraph, which are specific types of angels in some religious traditions. For the kind person meaning, you could say saint, darling, or even helper. For example, you could say, "The nurse was a saint during my recovery," or "Thank you for bringing me coffee. You're a total darling." Now, let's look at some antonyms. If you're thinking of angel as a spiritual being of goodness, the opposite might be devil or demon. For the kind person meaning, antonyms could be villain, bully, or scoundrel. For example, "He acted like a total bully when he refused to share," or "Her kind gesture made him seem less of a scoundrel." How can you use angel in daily life? You might use it to compliment someone's behavior, like, "You're an angel for helping me with this project." Or you might hear it in a spiritual or poetic context, such as, "I feel like I have a guardian angel watching over me." It can even pop up in common phrases like, "Be an angel and pass me the salt," which is a charming way of asking for help. Here are a few more examples of angel in sentences. "She's an angel for taking care of her neighbors during the storm." "He believes in the guidance of angels during tough times." "Thank you. You've been such an angel with all your support." That's it for today's word. To quickly recap, angel is a noun that can mean a spiritual being or a very kind person. Its synonyms include saint, cherub, and helper, while its antonyms might be devil, bully, or villain. It's a versatile and heartwarming word that you can use in so many contexts. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear how you would use the word angel in a sentence, so share your ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember to be an angel to someone in your life.